Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your LG washer is displaying a TE error code, the machine may stop during the cycle and leave you wondering what went wrong. The TE error on an LG washer is generally associated with temperature related sensing issues or temporary communication problems within the appliance. Since several factors can contribute to this message, it's important to perform a few simple checks before considering repairs. In many cases, restarting the machine and verifying basic conditions can help determine whether the issue is temporary. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help clear the TE error and get your LG washer operating normally again. Try these. Step 1. Take note of the TE code shown on the LG washer and stop the current cycle. Step 2. Disconnect the LG washer from the electrical outlet to initiate a reset. Step 3. Leave the LG washer powered off for several minutes before reconnecting it. Step 4. Confirm that the LG washer is receiving a normal water supply. Step 5. Restart the LG washer and select a fresh wash program. Step 6. Monitor the LG washer and verify whether the TE error returns during operation.